me out so I can feel it in another way. I won't talk about warm passengers high. If I could feed it for another day, it might run me dry. I know the seasons evolve to a freeze, putting hearts in the balance here. It's up to your knees and it's shifting degrees and it's choking your atmosphere. Storm, wind me out so I can feel it in another way. They won't talk about war, masochist side, distant figure in a photograph, another eye. I know your reason is stalled and your freedom's dissolved in your passion, dear. It's burning your eyes and it's killing your mind and it's broken your atmosphere. But should you find it obscene in that gray, old dramatic, Syrian heart say, Lord, if you